Hello guys, we are at the railway station and we are going to have a trip by train. Oh, look, what an interesting train on the roof of the station. This is a ticket office and we are going to buy tickets.
Yeah!
This is our train and we are waiting for departure. While we are waiting, let's have a look. Look guys, this is driver's cab. What an interesting equipment. Chairs, steering wheel. Train also has a steering wheel. Look guys, the blue train is coming. This, what a beautiful one. It has no pantographs, it rides on diesel. Look, and this is a train monument. It is very old. And the second carriage is with coal, because in the past it moved by the power of coal. It's so beautiful, black.
Yes!
Look, the double-decker train is coming. Wow, it's so big. Elisha had a trip by such one. It is so cool. The railway carriage are so high. It is going from Moscow.
Yes, cool.
There is also a restaurant. Do you see this dark gray one? This is a restaurant. We have a luck today. We saw the double-decker train. Train is stopping. Now doors will open and passengers will come out. Let's count how much railway wagons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the restaurant. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and the 12th is locomotive. Can you count until 12, guys? Yes? You are really good, guys. Look, the doors are open and passengers are coming out. And this is a depot. The trains have a rest after the long, hard work day. Look, one has a rest now. And now let's have a look at the railway coupling. In the passengers train, it is possible to walk between the wagons. There are a lot of different equipment and wires. So interesting! Our electric train is preparing for leaving. In the driver's cab, different buttons are switched on. The train started the engine. Wow, we see the freight train. Guys, what kind of railway wagons are there? Yes, there are the open-top wagons. Usually there are no freight trains on the passengers railway station. Look, there is something interesting on it. The train is totally full, not empty. I suggest that there is a coal in the open top wagons. It is so cool. It is so long. And this is a covered wagon. We have seen such in our previous videos and have told you about different types of wagons. This is exactly the coal. It has the name Coal Trans. So long train. Bye bye train, bye bye. What to do in the cold day? Have a trip by train. Wave your hand to the train and it gives you a signal back. What a beautiful train. Will you go by this also, Elisha? Yeah! While we are waiting for our train, we will freeze. No? Our train is standing. Finally, the doors open. Let's go in.
Yes, cool.
The stairs are so big. Elisha, where are you? Let's choose a seat.
Go, go.
This one? Are you sure? Really?
Yes.
Let's have a seat near the window. We decided to explore the train. Wow, you are so strong! Look, we will go between wagons. This is a railway coupling. It's so cool. It's not scaring, isn't it? No. The doors are still open and passengers can come in. And this wagon is almost empty. Let's take a seat here. These seats are for passengers with children. Exactly for us. Look, freight train is here. We have a luck. And there are double-decker train and electric train. And this is an underground crossing. We need to use underground crossing. Why? Because it's very dangerous, yeah. To walk on the railway is very, very dangerous, guys.
Yes, cool.
And this is a special button to call the police. If in the train will be bad people, we can push this button and police will come. And this is the map of the direction. We decided to look around.
Yes, cool.
Elisha is so brave and independent. He can open the doors. Wow! The door is closed and it is written that the pass is prohibited. And this is an emergency brake. If you pull it, the train will stop. And this is an electric train. We have seen today in a lot of trains. Elisha, do you like it? Elisha, look at me. Do you like it?
Yes!
Look, there is also an emergency brake. You can pull it only in the case of emergency. If you use it like a game, you need to pay a fine, and other passengers will be late. So don't use it, please. Just a game. Hello, friends! Do you like trains?
Yes!
We also like trains very much.
Yes!
Next time we'll go by this train. And also we like level crossings. You can find videos about it on our channel. Finally we are starting to move. The train is moving so fast. Wow, it's so cool. This is a monument, we have seen it. And this is a depot, the place where trains have a rest after the long work day. Look, there are a lot of trains. And this yellow train is for repair works. Guys, what kind of wagons do you know? Open-top wagons, covered wagons, tanks? We have told you about this in our previous videos. Don't forget to check. And here we can see again electric trains. 2 more stops and we need to go out. The train is now moving very slow. It seems the stop is soon. Soon we will see the level crossing. We have made a video about this level crossing. Check our channel and like our videos. Look, and this is a freight train. It's moving so fast. Are you scaring, guys? Elisha doesn't. And this is an equipment warehouse. There are cranes, dump trucks, buses. Wow, so interesting. There are a lot of different equipment. Look, how many cars are waiting until train will cross the road. The signaler came out to wave the train with flag. And this is an old abandoned factory. It looks very sad. I suggest it is abandoned. Is it interesting? Do you want one more travel by train, Elisha? Yeah. There are a lot of abandoned buildings, factories. Bryansk is a city famous for labor. Wow, the train is moving so fast! Ooh. The train is stopping. New passengers will come in. This is some village, I suggest. Let's have a look how doors open. The doors opened, passengers are coming in. This is not our stop. We stay in train. The doors are closed. We move forward. Elisha, now we'll cross river bridge. Look, bridge and river. Wow! Do you like it? Yes? Wow, so cool! And this is the granary where grain is saved in winter. Bread is made from grain, yes? Do you like bread, guys? This is our stop. We need to go out.
Go, go.
The doors opened. Be careful, the stairs are not very suitable for children. Hoo-hoo! The doors are closed and train will move forward. Bye bye train. Bye bye. Bye. And this is a special place where we can cross the railway. New train will come soon and we will go back.
Is school.
There is no train. We need to wait a little bit. What is it? This is a dump. Our train is coming. The station is so old and abandoned. Here is a train. Let's go. We are inside. The stairs are so dangerous. Elisha is playing hide and seek. Cuckoo, Elisha! Let's take a seat. Do you like our trip, Elisha?
Yes.
Will we take one more trip by train, yes? The train is starting. Yes, sure. Yes, we are going next time by an electric train. One more time we are crossing the bridge. Now we are crossing the river from the other side. And this is the electric towers. They connect wires. The electricity is moving across it. We need electricity for computer, for internet, for YouTube. One more stop. The dispatcher is announcing the stop. Again, there are a lot of cars waiting on the level crossing. There are a lot of cars. Yeah. And there is an interesting street art. The train is moving slowly because there is a railway station. This is the final stop. Now it's time to go out. In the description you can find a list of books about trains. The stairs are so high. These stairs not for small boys. Do you like our trip, Elisha?
Yes.
Yeah. Guys, subscribe to our channel and if you like our video, please give us a like. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye 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 bye.